So, team, I'll give you a quick introduction about myself. Myself, Anusha. Okay. I'm having almost 11 plus years of experience in Tosca automation. Okay. And right now, I'm working as a test lead in one of the product based company. One of the product based company. That means currently I'm as a real time employee. So, what are the challenges we do face in real time? Probably we'll discuss everything in these sessions. So this training session, it's completely a real-time program. Okay. And coming to my career team, I just started my career with a manual test engineer, and later on, I got the opportunity to work with automation with the Cucumber framework, and I do have experience on Selenium as well. And later on, we started automation Tosca. Okay. So in Tosca, I do have approximately 7 to 8 years of experience. And I deal with different kind of projects like web-based projects, SAP projects, some of the Salesforce projects, and APIs as well. Okay. And coming back to my training experience team, so I do have almost 4+ years of training experience. So you can see my testimonials and alumni also. And you can see my Google reviews also. So I am the part of Next IT Career. Almost 4+ years onwards, I'm giving a trainings on Tosca. And even a lot of my students also placed in topmost MNCs and product-based companies. This is about a quick intro about myself too. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Coming to the point, team. Tosca, how many of you know a manual testing?
Yeah,
How many?
ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm aware of
fine.
manual testing.
So you all are manual testers, okay?
Yes.
Okay, got it. What about Santosh and Saurabh? You guys know manual testing? Yes. Okay. What exactly we do in a manual testing?
We execute test cases manually, step by step.
So before executing the test cases, we just write the test cases, right?
Yeah, a lot of test cases.
We just write the test cases in a flow.
Yeah.
So once the application is ready, UI is ready, we just execute the flow. Yes or no?
Yes.
What are the flow we just designed based on the requirement? We run the flow manually. The execution we do manually, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically we do this stuff team. Coming to automation. Okay. Coming to automation. If you see in the market, we do have a lot of automation tools. What are those? Selenium,
Hmm.
UFT. So we do have a wrapped automation, and even we do have a Tosca automation. Even other technologies also we have it. Okay. Why automation is important? Why automation is important? So here I can say it is a time saving process. Okay, we can automate a couple of test cases. We can automate couple of test cases. I mentioned only a couple of test cases, right? Not all the test cases. The meaning of that, let us assume, okay, in a manual, we just build approximately 100 test cases. How many test cases? 100. Okay. So can we say these 100 test cases are feasible for automation? No, right?
No.
So see here, team, in automation, we do feasibility analysis. Based on that, we pick some test cases. For example, out of 100, we'll give 80 test cases to automation. 80 test cases to automation. Okay. What is the process of this thing? I'll tell you. Okay. Let us assume these all are the automation in tool. Okay. Maybe you can make a note here, a Selenium. Okay. either Tosca or any other of playwright, whatever it is. Just make a note, or UFT. These all are the automation tools. Okay. As a automation engineer, as a tester, let us assume here one tester is there. So what are the manual test case document we have? Out of these, 80 test cases are feasible for automation. As an automation tester, I'll take one manual test case. Which test case we pick here? Manual test case. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Just take one manual test case and give those all instructions to the automation. The process is same thing. You can give these all instructions to the automation. That is what we are doing here. Okay. So either you can automate same thing in Selenium and Tosca, UFT, any of these things fine. Once we provide all the instructions to tool, what these tools do? These tools directly interact with the applications. It may be web applications or desktop or whatever it is. So it interact with application and it do the execution of the test cases. Once execution is completed, that result is sent back to the tool. Team, clear this structure, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, let me repeat. If you are working as an automation test engineer, the first point is the prerequisite. We always pick the manual test case document. Okay. And we just define all these points in the automation tool. You can pick any of these, Selenium, Tosca, or UFT. And once we give instructions to these tools directly interact with application. Okay. So this is what automation do. Instead of interacting directly, we are just interacting to the application via tools. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll give you a real-time example also, like normal generic example. For example, team, now you are just planning to purchase a biryani. So biryani is favorite for all, right? So I just want to purchase biryani. Okay. If I want to purchase biryani, so I know some restaurants. Okay, now tell me, team, if you want to purchase biryani manually, how much time it will take? In the older years, for example, 2010, 11, 12, that time we always go to the stores and we'll purchase the things, right? Everything is a manual that time, correct? We have to dedicate some time for this to visit the restaurant, to purchase the food items and come back to the home. That is what we did, right? But now what we are doing to order the biryani?
Directly, we will be ordering from food apps.
Food apps. We are just choosing the food apps. What are those apps? Either it may Zomato or Swiggy. Any other food apps? Okay, let's make it as up to here. So once you order these apps, directly your request is going to a restaurant and they are packing our required food categories and delivering back to the customer. So which one is preferable, purchasing the things manually or automatically?
Yeah, automatically is more preferable.
Automatically, it's a more preferable one. Clear why I'm giving this example to you? Same thing. As a manual test engineer, you are doing a testing manually, and even you put a lot of efforts to test the each and every piece of code and application functionality. Okay. But here it is taking very long process and even time consuming thing. Okay. That is the reason the automation is comes to the picture. So in automation, what we are doing? What are the test cases we designed in a manual? We're just giving those all manual test cases to the tools. So these tools are interacting with the web application or our project. Then these are running and it is giving a result back to us. Clear team, manual testing and automation testing. Understand everyone clearly?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So now we all are here to learn Tricentis Tosca automation, correct?
Yes.
So team, this Tricentis Tosca automation nowadays most popular testing tool in the market. Most popular testing tool in the market. Why? I'll tell you. This Tosca, it's a completely zero coding tool. Zero coding means no coding is required. Okay, na? Otherwise, I can say code free tool also. Okay, na? No coding is required. As a manual test engineer, as of now, we all are in comfortable zone. So tell me, do you have any work pressure while working in a manual testing to write any kind of logics, such a kind of things? Guys,
No.
No.
you just simply sit and we know the English, right? If you know English, you can write the number of test steps and we run the scripts. That's it.
Yes.
So what are the comfortable zone you are having in a manual? The same comfortable zone you can see in automation level also. Because there is no
Coding.
coding. This is a very ultimate feature. Okay. So why it is most popular? You may ask one question. So Anusha, there is no coding here, right? Do we have any future? Even that is a mandatory question, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So it is a yes, we have a future. Why I tell you here? Okay, now.
Mm-hmm.
So the thing is, Tosca, it is supporting a multiple technologies. Multiple technologies with multiple projects. Okay. I can say projects or applications. These two are fine. Just make it as applications. Okay, no? Multiple technologies. We can automate any kind of project. What type of projects? Any kind of projects. What is mean by any kind? Let us take an example. Amazon. Let us take Amazon team. Tell me, Amazon is web application or desktop application?
Web application.
Web
Web.
application.
So even we do have mobile Amazon application, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
somewhat, if some people wants to download Amazon app in the desktop, we can do that, right?
So
I
yes.
think desktop app is not there, but web and mobile is available, correct?
Right, right.
Okay. So to work with this Amazon, we are just saying web and mobile. But the thing is, to develop this Amazon application, if we come across the development point of view, here developers are working to build the application.
Mm.
At the same time, database engineers also working, right, to define the databases.
Mm-hmm.
And at the
Yes.
same time,
This does not-
front-end developers.
Mm.
Okay. So the developer category you can give into the front and back end, but here I can say APIs as well, correct?
Mm.
If we are seeing this Amazon application successfully in our web page, for example, if I open Amazon successfully here, the meaning of that, the lot of people are worked on this application. So backend developer, front-end developers, APIs, database, everything is included here. Now I have a situation team. I want to perform automation of web, API, database together. Web, API, database together. If we see in the market, there is no tool to supporting these three categories at a time. So if you go to the market, Selenium, you can automate only web. If you want to
Web
go to the API,
applications.
which tool? Postman we are using for
Postman.
API testing. For database, either we recruit ETL testers, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So Selenium is a different tool, Postman is a different tool, and ETL is a completely different. But as a client team, I want to automate all these enterprise related information in one particular tool. That is possible in Tosca. Clear? We can automate here web applications, API, database, mobile. Okay. So these all are the one application related stuff too. If you come back to other application categories, SAPs we can do automation, SAP GUI, SAP Fury. These are different project categories. Salesforce applications, Oracle application, and Microsoft Dynamic applications. Okay, and mainframes. You can automating of the mainframes. ServiceNow. So here we do have it. Tosca is always supports some multiple technologies here. So approximately we do automation of the projects 250 types. So this 250 types is a project categories. We can automate each and everything in one particular tool without coding. Get it?
Mm.
One
Got it.
without coding. So what is that tool?
Tosca.
Tosca. Even if you see in the market, most of the project hiring is completely Tosca, SAP projects, Tosca Web, Tosca API, Tosca DB, Tosca Salesforce, Tosca Oracle. Application categories, they are just choosing. Clear team, why we are choosing Tosca?
Yeah.
Yes.
Supporting a multiple technologies. That means you can automate these all kind of projects in one application without coding. Clear?
Yes.
So the point is here, next point, Tricentis. Tricentis is one of the product-based company, correct? What we are learning? Tosca. Tosca is the product of Tricentis company. Okay. If you want to work with Tosca, it is a paid tool. We have to pay some amount to whom?
Tricentis company.
Tricentis company. Got it? This is not a free of cost. We have to pay some amount to the company. You may ask one more question here. Hey Anusha, this is a paid tool. So we do have a lot of free tools in the market. So what type of companies are using this Tosca right now? So let us assume team, I'll just give you the background of it. Tosca is a paid, I understand. Okay. But let us take a Selenium. Selenium is a free tool or paid tool?
It's a free tool.
Selenium, it's a completely free tool. Let us assume a team strength in the real time. Let us assume, I'm just discussing right now Selenium points. If you want to work on Selenium, what is the team strength? I can say 8 members are there in my project. Okay. Some of the people are beginners, I mean freshers. Some people are having 1 to 2 years of experience. Okay. And some people are having more than that. So must we have to hire these kind of experienced people in a project level, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
And one thing, if they want to complete a project, they have to write a coding.
Yes.
Coding is required. Either two technologies, 2 or 3, like either Java or
Python.
Python or C#. It depends. You have to write a code. For example, to build one simple functionality, login functionality in a Selenium, how much time it will take? At least I can say hardly take 1 hour of time. How much time? 1 hour of time. Okay, because we have to build the code, and after completion of the coding, we have to push that code to a repository. Lot of stuff we have to do. But what I'll do in Tosca, I don't hire 8 people. I think it's not required. Okay. Instead of hiring 8 people, I'll just hire only 4 people. Only 4 persons. Okay, now. If I hire 4 persons, so maybe if one person is fresher, I'll go with rest of 3 persons of experience, either 1 year or 2 years or 4 years, whatever it is. So coming to login functionality, to automate this login functionality, hardly I can take 10 minutes of time. Because here, there is no coding. This point is clear.
Yes, sir.
The previous project totally how many members they hired? 8. But Tosca project, how many members? 4. Okay. If I hire at least one person, what is the package we can give to them? Let us take a fresher team. If I hire one particular fresher profile, what is the package, initial package? 4 lakh per annum, right? Yes or no? If you take one profile fresher team, so what is the
Yes.
package that a HR team refer?
4 lakhs.
4 lakh per annum. So instead of hiring additional person, that one person salary they pay to the company. Get it? So what is impacting here?
Okay.
Resource planning is impacting, right? Son. Instead of hiring these many people, they just go with 3 to 4. If you go in real time, if you check any kind of Tosca project, the team strength is 4 to 5 members. That's it, not more than that. Getting?
Okay.
Team strength is 3 or 4. That means that's it, not more than that. Okay. Instead of hiring 8 people, they just save here 3% salary, right?
Mhm.
The company is saved almost 3% salary. If 3% salary means approximately, I can say at least 20 lakhs they saved here, right? I'm just analyzing like this. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Team,
Okay.
why I'm telling these points to you? If you choose Selenium, that is well and good. But what is most trending automation tool in the market? You have to go with that. If you want to go Selenium, must you have to start your career as a fresher, even you have manual experience, correct?
Yes.
So if you want to go with some experience on Selenium, is that possible? We cannot handle the job if you go with experienced person because you don't know coding languages, how to build a logic, how to do the work. But in Tosca, it is possibility. If you want to go with the companies with some experience on Tosca, yes, it is possible. Because here there is no coding.
Coding. Mhm.
Clear? Understand why
So we
Tosca is
can
most
save
popular?
the.
We are just saving some amount to the company, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
So that is the thing is happening in the market. And even Tosca is having a lot of features. Okay. So Tosca is supporting co-pilots. We do have co-pilots here. And agentic AI is also we have. So artificial intelligence features. It is making as an automation tester, our work is very easier. You don't need to spend a much efforts to work on automation as well. These are all the free of, there is no coding thing. Okay, na? And
Okay.
Tosca Cloud. Okay. If you want to integrate Tosca, the integration is also possibility. For example, we can integrate a Jira with Tosca. What is Jira team? What is Jira?
The project
Defect
management
tracker tool.
tool.
It is a test management tool, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
I just mentioned here only Jira. Maybe we do have HPALM, Qtest, Azure DevOps. These all are the management tools, right?
Right.
Depends upon their project specification, they pick any of these, correct?
Yes.
If you want to integrate these things with Tosca, yes, integration is possible. Getting?
Mm.
For example, CI tools. What is CI tools team? Continuous
Integration.
integration. What exactly it means? Let us assume as a manual tester, I'll just give you the difference here, okay? As a manual tester, before delivering product to the client, you want to run 100 test cases manually. How much time it will take? Just want to run 100 test cases before delivering product. Like whenever you are doing any sanity testing before deployment, so you just want to run 100 test cases manually. So how much time it will take?
24 hours. 24 hours.
Is it possible to complete within 24 hours 100 test cases?
Depends.
It depends upon the complication. Okay. In automation, we run the same 100 test cases within 1 or 2 hours. So how it is possible? CI is nothing but continuous integration and execution tool. Without automation engineer involvement, we are just schedule the execution team. Scheduling the execution to run all test cases together within short span of time. Clear?
Yeah.
That is the reason CI tools is required. In Tosca, we can integrate a Jenkins with Tosca. Yes, it is possible. Litmus with Tosca. It's possible. This integration is also possible. Tim. Bamboos, you know Bamboos, right? This is also one of the integration tool. Bamboos with Tosca. Yes, it is possible. But now tell me one point. This Jenkins, Litmus, Bamboos, these are also different tools, right? Third-party tools, correct? Jenkins itself, it is not a part of Tosca. Jenkins, it is a one of this CI tool. We have to purchase that. Litmus, Bamboos also. But instead of going with the third-party tools, Tosca itself, it is providing one platform to run a parallel execution. You can run all the test cases parallelly within short span of time. This is provided by Tosca only. So we do have elastic grid execution. We no need to jump to these things any point of view. Maybe some of the projects they are using this, but most of the projects we go with this option only. Anyway, I'll discuss all these things. Clear up to here?
And what about linear tool? Miss,
Linear,
is it? Yeah, yeah.
it's a CI
Ah,
tool, right?
I don't know. I have here somewhere. Is it possible? Is it some of the tool testing tool? Okay, okay. I have here somewhere.
Linear testing tool, huh?
Yes.
I think it is not a popular testing tool. I think it's a kind of linear is nothing but UFT, Selenium, Tosca. These all are commonly used tools only.
Okay.
It is a kind of approach, Sai Krishna. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's a
Linear
sunset. Yeah.
automation, it's a kind of linear automation framework. It's a script based or module based or modular frameworks. Such a kind of things you may get. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
I think Santosh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a.
I just thought like it's Sai. So team clear why we are choosing Tosca?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
The next point is here. If you want to work with Tosca, must you are the certified person. If you go outside, the certification is very important, correct? So in what happened, Tricentis company itself, okay, Tricentis company, it is providing some certificates. Okay. So certificates. So if you are a certified person in the couple of the course, then you'll get the opportunity very easily, even India or outside of the India, like US, UK, Canada also. So these certifications are very, very important. So we just included this all certification program in our course content. will conduct the certification program and will support, will guide you how to do the certifications, all this stuff, and completely will take care. You no need to bother about that. Okay.
Are these certificates free to apply?
It is a free of cost.
Okay.
So you no need to pay anything. It is a completely free of cost. So these certificates, how to do, and totally 6 certificates are there. Like AS1, Automation Specialist Level 1, Automation Specialist Level 2, Test Data Services 1, TDS Specialist 2, and Automation Engineer Level 1, API. If you complete these 6 certificates, for these 6 certificates, you will get a badges.
Mhm.
You get badges. Finally, we have advanced certificate, that is a product consultant. For this product consultant, you will get the certificate PDF file. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
And how long is certification valid, ma'am?
Hmm?
How long is certification valid? Is it for 1 year, 2 years? How is it like?
This certification is valid for 2 years.
Okay. After that, again, we have to upgrade. Or
Just take reattempt. Okay.
okay.
So if you're done with one time, it's not like that you can take it after 2 years also. If any of your organization is asking to do it, you can do it.
Okay.
If you have one PDF in your hand, that is enough. Okay. Any questions still here? The certification program completely will take care. Okay.
Ma'am, one more question. One more question. And do we have some idea about the bamboo application, bamboo or whatever? Because I'm not aware of those tools at all. So just asking you, is it required for us to learn the bamboo, those kind of tools also? For
These all are the integration tools. Jenkins, Litmus,
yeah,
Bamboos, right? You are asking.
yeah,
These
yeah.
are the integration tools. It's not like that you have to get some experience on this. So Jenkins is pretty much enough. If you go any project, most of the times you can hear only Jenkins. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
I'll tell you how to work with the Jenkins in Tosca.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So coming to our course contenting. These all are the advanced features in Tosca team. Any questions on these Tosca features?
Till now we are good.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Coming to here, course content. In this course content team, I'm just highlighting only the application categories. That means projects. What are the projects you will get here? Okay. The first one is web application. Okay. Next, desktop application. You'll get some completely hands-on real-time experience on these two applications. Okay, now. Another one is API. How to do API testing in Tosca and database testing. Finally, SAP testing. Clear? These things are quite common for all kind of projects. API and database and web. Okay. But additionally, what we are learning here? SAP
SAP.
test. So the thing is, so I just want to give one example. I think most of the people came from manual background only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
So at least you have some experience on manual. For example, you people are having 1 year of experience on manual. So in this 1 year, you just automated only web application only. Okay. If you get a chance to work on mobile application for manual testing, do you need to learn this manual stuff from the scratch? My point is here, right now you are automated only web applications. Okay. You are having 1 year of experience. Okay. Later on, you got opportunity to work on mobile application. Okay. Mobile or any desktop applications. Okay. So here also role is manual tester. So do you need to afraid working on the mobile based project? The
No.
same,
No.
No, no,
right?
not at all.
No.
Because you already manual tester, you have some experience on that. What
Yes.
are the way you worked on web application? The same thing is you apply to the mobile, right?
Yeah. Functionality testing, correct.
Functionality testing. If you get a chance to work on Salesforce, the same manual functionality you apply here as well, right?
Right.
Not afraid of a project category, correct? We are not afraid of project category because you already have some experience how to do work in a manual testing, how to build a test cases, and how to execute everything you know. You no need to afraid. If you get a chance to work on any kind of project, definitely you will work easily without any fear. Correct?
Yes.
Tosca also same thing. If you learn Tosca for a web application, so that means if you worked on this web application, let us assume 1 year. If you get a chance to work on Salesforce project, definitely you can work with Tosca, right? Without any fear.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to work on Tosca, how to build a test cases, how to run the scripts, everything you know. Definitely we can work on the Tosca with Salesforce, right?
Mhm.
Maybe
Okay.
you got the opportunity with mobile. Same concepts are applicable, correct?
Yes.
If we get a work on with a service now, let us assume these all are the different project category. The same thing is applicable, right? So no. Maybe SAP project. The same thing. What are the knowledge you have in Tosca? We apply same knowledge on different kind of application categories, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
See here, if you are learning Tosca, it's not like that you have to learn everything from the scratch. If you learn Tosca for one particular application end to end, the same concepts are applicable for other projects as well. Getting?
Okay.
Even for desktop application also same. SAP application is also same. Correct. If you get a chance to work on service now, yes, same. If you get a chance to work on any healthcare domain or healthcare applications, yes, we do work on Tosca because you know how to work on Tosca. Here, the project is changing, not Tosca functionality. Getting?
Yes.
What are the way we work in Tosca? We do work same approach. Okay. But which one is changing here? The project is changing, but not Tosca concepts. Clear?
Yes.
So entire this course content, totally how many courses we can learn, like how many applications we will learn here?
5 different
Web
types of.
applications,
Yes.
desktop, APIs, databases, and SAP. If you learn these 5 applications, at least you can go with the Tosca experience 3 to 4. So entire these training sessions team, you will get a 3 to 4 years of Tosca experience. Real-time experience. It's not a theoretical experience. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, what are salary packages for this tool, ma'am? I don't have any idea about this actually.
So right now we are getting 40 to 50% of hikes. I think recently also I posted one person. I think my previous batch, one person got the opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
I think 3 days back only I posted here. This person is having 5 years of experience on testing domain, like manual tester only. Okay. So this person mentioned 3 to 4 years in Tosca. After completion of the classes, he started looking for the opportunities. Okay, now?
Mm-hmm.
And he
Okay.
got 2 opportunities right now. One company is suggested at least 20 to 25 lakh. Another company
Mhm.
suggested 18 or 19 lakhs. I'm not sure exactly.
Okay.
So 2 offers with 40 to 50% of hike based on your current package and even completely work from home option.
Okay.
Okay, now clear. So see here,
Yes.
team. Entire these training sessions, it's a completely hands-on experience. Okay. I'm not giving any example right now because we already lost 20 minutes of our time due to some Zoom application issue. Okay. Tomorrow I'll show you the execution of application. Don't worry. So what I'm suggesting here, it is not like that I'm just explaining these things. You'll get here completely daily basis assignments. And here real-time challenges. Okay. Daily basis assignments and the real-time challenges. And here, interview questions and the answers. So once you all are familiar with these things, we'll conduct a mock interviews.
Okay.
Before going to the mock interviews, we just prepare your resumes well. If you're ready for the interview, then we'll take a mock interviews. So once we are done with once we share feedback with you within this mock interview, then attend the live interviews. If you attend live interviews, at least 3 to 4. Within these 4 attempts only, you'll get the offer. You'll get the offer. So right now I show one person, right? This person is attended at least, I think, 4 to 5 interviews. Within 5, you can see, attended 4 to 5 interviews. I got 2 offers with a 40% hike. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
4 to 5 interviews only, not more than that. Okay, now.
Mhm.
So here's my previous batch. I think this batch is completed October only.
Mhm.
So after completion of the batch, within 5 to 10, within one week or 20 days, he got the opportunity.
Okay.
So the batch, I'll just maintain everything in a structured manner team. Okay. If we see here, I'll just go to the folder structure and daily based document. This is the documentation. What are the points we discuss for daily basis? You'll get this document. Along with that, so as per my interest, so I am very passionate about these trainings. So I just prepared this document. At least this document is holding almost 200 plus documents. Myself, I prepared this document. If you go outside, no one will provide such a kind of document for Tosca. Getting? I spent at least 1 month of time to prepare all these things in detail. Clear?
Mhm.
So I'll share you the document based on the concept wise and along with interview questions. So if you see each document wise, I just want to show you here one thing. Let us take an example of this one. Are you able to see question and answers? For
Yes.
this
Yeah.
particular concept, what are the questions you may get in interviews? I'll just make a note of those questions also here.
Okay.
Okay. If someone is posted new interview question in our alumni, then I'll also make a note and I'll tell you this kind of questions also triggering in interviews. Prepare this much of way. Okay.
Okay.
And here
So
one more thing, assignments. I'll give you a couple of manual testing challenges. These are only basic to advanced level challenges with test data. Otherwise, if you know any application, if you want to work on only that, yes, you can continue with that. Okay, na? Once you are
Okay.
done with your executions on your practicals, you have to attach your screenshots here. So here, are you able to see some of the people are attached screenshots? It's not like
yes.
everything is tracking here. Okay, I'll just ask them to share the screenshots here. Everything is tracking. So once you attach a screenshot here, I'll just review. This is done by you. What time and date? Here you can see these people are done these things 2023. Are you able to see the year?
Yeah.
Yes.
2023 year. Okay. So I do have very good alumni team. So no need to bother about the projects job. Okay. So in my group, almost I have 500 plus people. So probably they post the requirements in our group. Okay. So this is one of the real-time challenges group which I'm maintaining. Almost 600 plus people you can see here. And each and every person they post the real-time challenges. Day one, I'll gather some of the real-time challenges. I'll post the links here. Okay. So even you can say starting new batch and information. This is a kind of hiring team. If someone is hiring on Tosca, what requirements they have, they're just looking for what exactly their requirement. Everything I'll show you here. You'll get a lot of referrals here. You don't need to worry about job point of view. Clear? So
Okay.
just spend time with me, 50 to 60 days. Learn Tosca in depth. And what are the manual experience you have? Convert this manual experience to Tosca and get better hikes. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, yes. And do we get the daily recording also? No? Anusha?
Yes, I'll share you the completely daily recording videos. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, I share the recording videos via YouTube only. So I'll show you tomorrow how you will get the recording videos. Right now, the management people share this today's recording video. Okay.
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 Go through today's recording video. Okay. And make a note. If you have any other questions, make a note. In tomorrow's class, I'll take all of your questions and I'll give you the explanation on that. So once we're done with, then I'll start the session. Okay.
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 So team, it's completely a live classes. Okay now, completely live classes. So if you enroll, I'll be available for you all. So if you have any questions, once the batch is confirmed, okay, the management team, they create a WhatsApp group for us.
Okay.
Even I'm also part of that group. If you have any kind of questions or challenges, or if you want to talk with me one to one, yes, you can connect with me. We'll discuss the things one by one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. In weekends also, if you if you have any doubts, we can call you.
Yes, you
No?
can give me call. Okay.
Okay.
WhatsApp call.
Mhm.
WhatsApp call. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. And what is the version we are latest version of Tosca we are discussing?
So the latest version is 2025.1 version.
Okay.
Okay. So even I'll give you 2025 version only. We do practice on 2025. But whenever you are attending interviews, just say like you have experience 16 or 2023. Why it is, I'll tell you that. Okay. Na?
Hmm.
If
Okay.
you keep some experience or 3 years or 4 years now. Okay. If you keep the experience 3 years or 4 years in Tosca, if 2025 released this year, then what is the use? Getting?
Yes. Yes. Got it. Yeah.
No, I didn't get it now. Say it again. Sorry.
So the point is here. 1 second. Team. Yes, team. See here. Right now, 2025 version, this is released this year only.
Okay.
Right now, we are in which year? 2025 only.
Mm.
So here, whenever you are attending interviews, not only interview team, if you keep an experience on Tosca, how many years you will mention at least experience? 2 to 3 years, right?
Yes. Yes.
Just think practically. In real time, which version of Tosca you implemented in your project? Then tell me what version of Tosca you are used.
Yeah, we need to say 2 to 3 years back version. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
based on 2 to 3 years, that must you have to say 2 to 3 years back version, right?
Right.
Are you getting my points?
Yes.
Must you have to tell 2 to 3 years of version category? That is the reason I mentioned 16 or 2023. Okay, na?
Okay.
But whenever we are going with 2025 version, I'll tell you what are the latest features they added in latest version and
Okay.
what are the features not available in the older versions. Okay.
Okay. And what's the most stable version? Is something like that, ma'am? Because in Selenium we often get that issue, I think. Most stable versions.
So the most here we don't have such a kind of thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whenever new version is released, most of the projects they migrate to a latest version.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So right now, the stability point of view, we can say 2023, 24 are stable, even
No.
16 also.
Okay.
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 Clear team, everyone. Do you have any questions? Today's demo?
No. Absolutely fine.
Yeah, I have missed the starting session, so I will watch the video, and if any doubts, I'll connect tomorrow. Yeah.
Sure. So if you missed a starting of the video, just go with the recording video today. Okay. Make a note all of
Yeah.
your questions. We'll discuss tomorrow, Santosh. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So what about others team? Teja, Soumya, Ankita? Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Even I
good.
missed like an initial few minutes, so I'll go through the video once again. I'll get back to you.
Sure, team. Okay.
And daily we have 1 hour session.
Daily
Anusha?
we have 1 hour of session.
Mm.
Okay, na?
Only weekdays, right?
Only weekdays. Saturday it's
Mm.
completely a doubt session.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So
Anusha,
if
is it,
anyone,
Anusha, sorry to interrupt you. Anusha, is it like a online or offline session? It will be only on.
online session.
Okay.
Online. Right now I'm conducting online sessions on because most of the people are already taking sessions in online only. No one is coming in offline sessions right now.
Got it.
That is there in a before 2020, but now no one is preparing offline.
Got it.
Just in case, ma'am, suppose if you want to meet you personally, like, regarding something
Yes,
also.
you can come back to the institute, okay? So
Okay.
just inform me if I'm available, but mostly weekdays or weekends that time only. I
Yeah.
think it's fine, okay?
Yes.
That's it
Thank
for
you.
today's session, team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you all. Have
Thank
a
you.
nice day. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, team. Bye.